Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can check the PDF sent by the students on your mail and give marks and comments to them. So this is the software we have named Foxit Reader software. This is the best software which supports all the PDF file formats. As many of you are facing problem as students send you the PDF in different file formats and it's not been supportive by the softwares you are using. So here is a solution. You can download or install this software in your computer and check the PDFs very easily. So for downloading it, you just have to go to Google Chrome. On google.com, write Foxit Reader File Hippo. After clicking enter, you will see this first option, download Foxit Reader for Windows. Click on it. Here you can see download latest version option appears. As soon as you click on this option, you will see at the bottom left screen the downloading process will start. As I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it now. You will have to wait till it gets downloaded and then you have to install it. After installing it, you will see this icon appears on your screen. Now let's start with editing our PDFs. Firstly, for edition, you have to download your PDFs from your mail ID. Say I am downloading a PDF from the mails I got from the students of 9th E. Like I am downloading this mail. This is sent by Yashika and also the PDF sent by her is named as Yashika. So it will not create any problem. I will directly download it. It totally depends upon your net speed at how much time it will take for downloading. I will get download. And another PDF I got by Sahir, but this PDF is not by his name. So after downloading it, I have to rename it. So in this way, I will download all the PDFs. So as you can see, I have downloaded 3 PDFs sent by 3 different students. This is Yashika Gupta's PDF. This one is Sahir's PDF, which I have to rename, and this is also I have to rename. So where you can see these downloaded PDFs, you just have to go to my computer. At the left screen, you will see downloads, and here the 3 PDFs I have been downloaded. I suggest you just download one by one so that you can get confused like which PDF is sent by which student if they are not sent by their names. So I have to rename this second PDF that is sent by Sahir. Answer sheet. You can write. This PDF has been sent by Abhinav to me. So I am writing his name here. So these are the 3 PDFs which have been downloaded from my mail. Now let's start editing these PDFs. So double click on this software. Here you can see the file tab. Here many different options are there. You can click on this option, open. Go to this computer and browse the files you have in your computer. Like I have downloaded all the PDFs in my downloads, so I just have to open it. Here you can see the different PDFs which have been downloaded. I want to check Sahir's answer sheet first, so I will click on this and open it. As soon as you click on open, your PDF will appear on your screen. Now, if I want to check, I want a pencil option or a pencil tool. You have to go to comment section. There you can see a pencil tool. Click on it and start checking. Now, if you want to increase the size or change the color of the pencil tool, you can change that also. Go to comment format. Here are the many options given to you of increasing and decreasing the size. For example, I am selecting this one and changing the color from blue to red. Now you can see the changes. The size and the color of the pencil tool changes. Now, if by mistake you have done something wrong, you can erase it also. Go to comment section again. There is an eraser tool. Just click the mouse and drag whatever you want to erase. As soon as I erase all the things which I want to erase, release the mouse. It will disappear. So this is how about you can check your PDFs. And also if you want to give any comment to any answer, you can also give that. For example, I want to give comment here that stop overwriting or do not overwrite. So how can I give that? I will go to comment section. Here you can see a note option. If I select this note option, this plus will appear. And I want to give comment here. So I will drag it. So you can see a note, sticky note will appear. I want to write here, do not overwrite. So here you can see a sticky note is there saying about do not overwrite. Also you can give comments to another, like I want to give comment that improve your writing. So I will again go to comment. I will give note here and sticky note will appear, and by this way you can write improve your writing. And now as all the PDF has been checked, so you can save it. You have these two options, save and save as. By clicking on this save option, it will replace your currently checked PDF with the previous one which is not checked. Okay, if you click on this save option. But I suggest you go to this save as option. Click on this. It will ask you to save your PDF in another location. So I want to save it in my downloads by Sahir checked answer sheet. I have renamed it by Sahir checked answer sheet and click on the save button. As soon as you click, you will see the PDF is changed by this name, Sahir checked answer sheet. Also you can see that it has been saved or not. Close this software, go to my computer, go to downloads. You will see here two answer sheets are there. Firstly, which have been downloaded, which is not checked, and second, Sahir checked answer sheet, which have been checked now and saved by this name. Also, in this way you can check all the PDFs and you can save the checked PDFs in a new folder too. Like I want to save it with the name class 9th checked PDFs. I will copy it and then I'll go here and paste it. In this way, you can have all the answer sheets at one place, and also you can make different folders for the different classes. So this is all about editing a PDF in a software named Foxit Reader. This is all about this. Thank you so much.